Hey, it's me, from Shades of Discipline. Hope you're having a great week so far. Today, we're sharing 5 powerful morning habits to ace your studies and boost your focus. Let's dive in. Habit 1. Wake up early. Start your day at least an hour before you usually do. Waking up early gives you quiet time for study, planning, and self-care. Even 30 extra minutes can improve your productivity and mental clarity. Habit 2. Hydrate and fuel. Drink a full glass of water as soon as you wake up, then eat a light, healthy breakfast. Oats, fruit, or eggs. To power your brain, hydration plus nutrition equals better concentration. If you're finding these tips helpful so far, hit the like button. It really helps more students discover these videos. And do you forget to subscribe to Shades of Discipline for daily motivational content to keep you focused and inspired. Habit 3. 10 minutes of movement. A short walk, stretching, or light exercise activates your body and brain. This releases dopamine and boosts alertness, making your morning study sessions much more effective. Habit 4. Plan your day. Spend 5 to 10 minutes writing down your top 3 study tasks for the day. Prioritize the hardest subject first. This habit prevents overwhelm and keeps you laser-focused. Habit 5. 15 minutes of focused study. Before touching your phone or social media, do a quick focused study sprint. This creates momentum for the rest of your day and trains your mind to focus when it matters. These 5 habits may seem simple, but done daily, they'll transform your focus, grades, and confidence. Which habit will you try tomorrow morning? Comment below and let us know. Subscribe to Shades of Discipline for more daily motivation and success tips. See you next time.